Hey guys, come get ready with me for a date, and this time actually using the Power Grip Primer for a Longwear test. Let's see how it goes. So we're just gonna apply it like you TikTok girlies showed me, all over the face. Highlight, concealer, and guys, we're literally running so late that he had to change the reservations. I know, I do this all the time. I'm sorry, guys. Like, it's not even in my character at this point. It's just, you know, a flaw. But then again, it's African time. Like, I guess it is in my nature. I don't know why I was trying to kid you guys. But anyways, contour, and of course, I'm gonna do my signature S on the cheek, and then of course, blend the concealer. And of course, bring it down to the bridge of my nose. Now foundation. I really have to hurry up now because our reservation was at 7:30, but now it's at 8, and it's currently 7:34. And the place is 25 minutes away. I gotta go. Okay, now we're gonna go in with powder. Time to brighten my under eyes. Okay, it's time to put on the blush. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? It's really cute, honestly, very flawless. Everything went on really nicely, and I honestly think the primer did very well. So let's just see how it does throughout the night. I'm gonna do a few check-ins, and then I'll be back at the end of the night to tell you guys how it wore. Okay guys, we're gonna do a check-in. This is how the makeup's looking right now. It looks pretty good. Not too bad, not too much creasing. A little bit of my smile lines, but that's a given. So we'll see on the next check-in. Okay guys, I am back, and as you guys saw earlier, it wore pretty well, but right now it is currently 10, and this is how it's looking. I got some crease lines, of course, on my smile line. Kind of a little creasing near the eyes right here, but that's just because my eyes get a little watery, especially when it's windy. But all in all, I think it wore pretty well. Yeah, I don't know if I would gravitate to it because like I really want to find one that works for my smile lines, and like so I don't have to keep powdering and touching up throughout the night. But this is definitely something I will use again. So hope you guys like the video. Comment down below your favorite primer or some primers you guys recommend for me to try. And thanks for watching once again. Bye guys.